Did you know that clove tea has been a secret weapon for centuries in various cultures for its myriad health benefits? It's true. This humble spice, often associated with holiday baking, has a rich history steeped in traditional medicine. From the ancient Egyptians to Chinese herbalists, clove tea has been revered for its curative properties, combating everything from toothaches to digestive issues. A true testament to the power of nature's pantry. Now let's delve into how to prepare this potent brew yourself. Making clove tea is as simple as it is beneficial. Let's dive right into it. To brew the perfect cup of clove tea, you'll need a handful of ingredients and tools. About 3 to 5 whole cloves, a cup of water, a pot for boiling, a strainer, and a mug for serving. The quantity of cloves can be adjusted according to your preference for strength and flavor. Start by taking your pot and filling it up with water. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium heat. This process should take about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the heat source. As the water begins to boil, it's time to introduce the star of the show, the cloves. Drop your cloves into the boiling water. You'll notice how they dance and twirl in the bubbling water, releasing their essential oils. The cloves infuse the water with their warm, spicy aroma, turning the water into a rich, flavorful broth. This process is known as steeping, and it's crucial for extracting the full range of health benefits from the cloves. Allow the cloves to steep in the boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you let it steep, the stronger the flavor and the richer the benefits. After steeping, turn off the heat and let the clove tea cool down for a moment. Finally, it's time to strain the clove tea. Use a strainer to separate the cloves from the water. Pour the clove-infused water into your favorite mug, leaving the cloves behind. The aroma of the clove tea will fill your senses, and you'll be left with a warm, comforting brew. Feel free to add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon to your clove tea for added flavor, but it's perfectly enjoyable as it is. Each sip of this aromatic tea will not only soothe your senses, but also work wonders for your health. And there you have it, a warm, soothing cup of clove tea ready to be enjoyed. Now that you've brewed your tea, let's explore why this beverage is more than just a warm drink. Clove tea, with its exotic and inviting aroma, is not just a delight for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. It's like a small, mighty superhero packed in a teacup, ready to swoop in and save the day. Let's dive into the magic hidden in every sip. First up, clove tea is an excellent source of antioxidants. These little warriors fight against the harmful free radicals in our bodies, preventing cell damage. Imagine them as tiny knights, bravely battling the forces of destruction within us. Antioxidants are essential for maintaining good health, and clove tea offers them in abundance. But the magic doesn't stop there. Clove tea is also known for its ability to aid digestion. Have you ever felt that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a heavy meal? Well, a cup of clove tea can come to your rescue. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing digestion and making you feel light and comfortable. It's like a mini massage for your stomach, soothing and relaxing. And the wonders of clove tea don't end there. It also has the potential to provide pain relief and act as an anti-inflammatory agent. Clove has been used in traditional medicine for centuries as a natural painkiller. So, the next time you have a headache or a toothache, consider reaching for a cup of clove tea instead of that bottle of painkillers. Finally, clove tea can also help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is like a small fire within us, causing discomfort and sometimes leading to serious health issues. But clove tea acts like a gentle rain, calming the fire and soothing the inflammation. Impressive, right? But the benefits don't stop there. So next time you brew yourself a cup of clove tea, remember, you're not just sipping on a warm beverage, you're sipping on a cup of magic. Now imagine enjoying these benefits consistently for a whole week. Just picture it. A week of savoring the warm, aromatic notes of clove tea, and at the same time, inviting a host of health benefits. Intrigued? Then let's introduce you to the Clove Tea Challenge. The premise is simple, yet potentially life-changing. For one whole week, we're encouraging you to make clove tea a part of your daily routine. Sip it in the morning to kickstart your day, or unwind with a cup in the evening. The choice is yours. The beauty of this challenge lies in its simplicity. Clove tea requires only 2 ingredients, cloves and water. Yet, the benefits it offers are far from simple. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, clove tea is a natural powerhouse. But don't just take our word for it. The best way to truly understand the magic of clove tea is to experience it for yourself. That's where the Clove Tea Challenge comes in. It's an invitation for you to discover firsthand the transformative effects of this humble spice. Remember, the purpose of this challenge is not about drastic changes or quick fixes. It's about making subtle shifts in your daily habits that can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being over time. As you embark on this journey, you might notice some changes. Perhaps you'll feel more energetic, or maybe your digestion will improve. Everyone's experience will be unique, but that's the beauty of it. This challenge is about exploring what works best for your body, and clove tea might just be the missing ingredient you've been looking for. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Ready to see how a simple cup of clove tea can make a difference in your life? We hope you are, because the Clove Tea Challenge is waiting for you. Are you ready to take on the Clove Tea Challenge? Your body might just thank you for it.